Welcome back to my channel, friends. Thanks for tuning in today. It's your girl, Tiffany. I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button before we begin. I do have a new human hair unit that I'll be bringing to you today. This unit is from Zury Sis. I have Livia. I have Livia in the color Natural Black. She is 100% human hair. She is a side part. This is her cap construction and how she looks in her natural state. This unit is straight out of the package. As you can see, these curls are popping. Here is what the parting space looks like. She has your standard cap construction, 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this and let this air dry before I put it on. Go ahead, watch me work. Alright, so Livia is now washed and dry, and I think these curls look even better than they did right out of the package. These have just the most effortless, nice little waves to them. I just absolutely love this. I'm definitely the most excited about this one out of all of the wigs that I've reviewed today, so you guys make sure that you check out my other uploads. Some of these were some real bangers, including this one, so there'll definitely be links down in the description box, and you can check out my other videos as well. But this is what Livia is looking like. Her parting space looks really good. I don't know if you can really see that, but I haven't plucked or tweezed that at all, you guys. She does have baby hairs right here in the front around that part to help conceal that. Bomb. Already bomb. This is straight onto my head. I've done nothing but wash this, and I do strongly recommend that you wash them before you wear them. I'm gonna add some heat just to flatten that down around those parts. But other than that, I don't think I need to do anything else to this unit. I didn't spray my lace tint into that parting space because it looked really wide and really natural looking already. We're not going to make any other alterations to that, you guys. Really, really natural looking. I'll put some powder right there at the front for that demarcation. Just to help blend that into my skin a little bit better. Effortless. Effortlessly beautiful. The cap is comfortable, but it is a little bit snug. It's not incredibly roomy. I haven't adjusted the straps at all. I am getting full ear-to-ear coverage though, so that's good. Those tabs are laying right at the front of my hairline and where they should be, so adhering this will go very well. I'm not getting any shedding. The texture is very soft, very natural feeling. It feels just like relaxed hair once again. No tangling, no shedding. No cons so far. I'm very impressed and very pleased. I haven't seen it from the back, but I don't feel like there's any gaps or spaces. The density feels really good on this. But at the same time, it's not overly dense. It feels really, really natural, and I think it looks really, really natural. This is absolutely beginner friendly sleigh approved. This is Tiffany baby approved all day long. I love this, you guys. This one is going in the front of the closet. It's going to be a staple. They're going to see this all the time. This actually kind of reminds me of 2 wigs that I already own. It reminds me of Hara, who I did review, who's also human hair, and it reminds me of one of the synthetics that's my favorite of all time, and that is Marilyn. If you guys don't know anything about Marilyn, I'll buy a new Marilyn and I'll review her. Mine is so old, but she's a trusty dusty and she still looks good. If you're interested in a human hair version of Marilyn, or Gabby also would be an alternative dupe for this unit, then make sure that you check out Livia. She's absolutely beautiful. You can find this unit at beautynation.shop. Thank you guys for sending this over for your girl to review. You guys support my channel so much. We couldn't do it without you. Me and my followers, thank you for all of these slays that you have sponsored. I'll leave links in the description box as to where you can pick this unit up. If you have any questions, make sure that you leave them down below. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up so that I can continue bringing you content just like this. I appreciate the time that you spent with me today. Thanks for watching Tiffany Baby TV. Have a wonderful rest of your day, friends. Bye, friends.